guys, how are you? This is Joe Jaguar and Angeles, and we are doing today sun watching. We invited for our Facebook groups, and we invite you to come over if you live close by Scarborough. And we are in Galloway. What is this part name?
I don't know, but it's just north of Lawrence on Galloway.
Okay. If you are close by, come. And we're going to see the sun, and also with the sunglasses. Come and join us.
Like attacking it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes. Yes.
Of the TT one?
Yes.
Of the TT one?
Brother, you just gotta keep like attacking it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, anything.
Thank you for everybody that came out to our first annual or maybe monthly Solar Star Party in Toronto, Ontario. There was a few people in the beginning, and then after we had a couple families after. So it wasn't huge, but it was the first one, and people always get busy on the weekends or forget or have other commitments. But anyway, thanks for coming, and congratulations, Clover, on getting your real first telescope. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, and we'll see you at the next solar party, and then after at the nighttime viewing parties. Hey guys, also, don't forget,
To subscribe to my channel,
what's it called?
my special needs journey with Frankie.
Cheers.
Thanks.